Did you know there are over 88 million pet cats in the United States? This makes them the most popular pet in the country. Are you a cat person or a dog person? Either way, let's learn about cats together. Humans have had a long relationship with cats. They were probably domesticated by ancient Egyptians as early as 4,000 years ago. The abundance of rodents drew wild felines to human settlements. Humans may have first been drawn to the cats because of their ability to kill rodents. Early Egyptians worshipped a cat goddess and even mummified their beloved pets, who were accompanied by mummified mice, for their journey to the afterlife. Cats were later adopted as companions by cultures all over the world. Domestic cats, like their wild cousins, are natural hunters, able to stalk, prey, and pounce with razor-sharp claws and teeth. At night, they are especially effective because their light-reflecting eyes allow them to see better than most of their prey. Cats have excellent hearing as well. Cats are all nimble and agile, and their long tails help them maintain their excellent balance. Cats communicate by using their claws or waste to mark trees, fence posts, or furniture. The purpose of this is to alert others to a cat's home range. House cats have a wide range of vocalizations, from purrs to screeches. This is how they express themselves. Domestic cats are mostly carnivores, with a simple gut that allows them to eat raw meat. They have a rough tongue, which can assist them in cleaning every last morsel from an animal bone. However, domestic cats' diets are subject to human whims and can be supplemented by the cat's own hunting success. For example, pet cats may hunt rats or birds outside the house. Let's learn some fun facts about cats. Cats can jump over 5 times their own height. A cat can't see directly below their nose. Your pet cat shares 95.6% of their DNA with tigers. Female cats tend to be right-pawed, and male cats tend to be left-pawed. Cats can't taste sweetness. Black cats, on average, have fewer health problems. Your cat's whiskers match the width of their bodies. A cat's brain and our brains are about 90% similar. Cats mainly sweat through their paws. On average, cats have about 245 bones. The average human only has 206 bones. I hope you enjoyed learning about cats today. Good luck studying.